Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me as always. This week you joined me on continued ramp up on my rehab and recovery. For those of you that have been following and watched last week's video, you'll know last week was the first real kick back where my head was in the right place and my training's kicking off to be in the right place again after a few weeks of struggling post-op. So this week, follow on from the work we did last week. Started the day with a rest day. Monday, Tuesday was yesterday, we jumped in the gym and did gym workout, chest, shoulders, upper body, a little bit of back, arms, etc. Today we're back in the garage on the treadmill, targeting another hour walking, well 50 minutes walking and 5 2-minute jogging intervals during that hour. So we will just keep camera rolling, looping in and out of bits, jogs, etc. Not too much detailed in the gym, sorry, in the garage. You'll know if you listened to me last week about where my head's been at. We'll do a little bit more focus hopefully this week on some of the upper body exercises I'm doing in the gym and some of the weight bearing training, stretching, core stability, stamina building, etc. that I'm doing as recommended by the physio. And tomorrow we're back in the gym again. Friday, unsure as yet, but then we'll do over the weekend, we'll try and get a cycle in somewhere, 15-20 miles as we've been doing. So yeah, for now, see you in a little while. Interval 1, 2 minutes at around about 12-minute miling, so 8 kilometers an hour. Again, nothing too strenuous, just a comfortable pace. Let's break into interval 2, 2 minutes, 12-minute miling again.
My perfect regime. Olay, visible results or your money back. How am I going to get down? Jack used to give me the biggest welcome when I'd been away, jumping up the second I arrived. On walks, Jack would race so far ahead. Mum and I could never keep up, even after a big day out.
That's starting interval 3, bang on 30 minutes, another 2 minutes, maybe just slightly quicker than 12-minute mile pace. Here we go. Right guys, 10 seconds out from next interval, interval 4, another 2 minutes, crank it back up to 8.5 again. 3, 2, 1, go. There you go, 8.5 kilometers an hour. Drop 1 minute per mile, that is in the box on the screen below. 2 more minutes, feeling really strong still. Those 2 minutes are tiring, don't get me wrong, getting the oxygen running back around my lungs, etc. So loads of work to do on building up lung capacity and everything for running longer distances, but saying we're at the start of the journey again, really happy with where we are. Ten seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. One interval left to go. Still, let's get this done. Interval 5, last 2 minutes. Maybe ever so slightly crank it up again for the final minute. Here we go. Five seconds left. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we just finished that last one off, 9 kilometers an hour. Again, I've dropped on screen what that is in minutes per mile. You can tell by the way I'm breathing, that was really built up the oxygen, or affected me from a breathing point of view. Really warm in this garage, just with a couple of fans on. But feels unbelievable. It's another 10 minutes under my belt, running or jogging, running. It is running. I'll tell you why it's running. Because in January last year, I started this journey. I started at 13.5 minute miles. Now, my recovery journey is starting on 12 minute miles. So, it definitely is running, and I won't call it a jog, because I think that just diminishes what all the people out there are doing that are in that 12 minute bracket starting their journey. So get to the end of this last 6.5 minutes or so, do a quick recap and then go again. So there we are guys, we've got 1 minute 10 seconds left to go of the walk, which we're doing at 5.5 kilometers an hour. Again, I'll drop that back down minutes per mile. Not that it matters so much for the walk. Again, another step in progression, a little bit of speed increase on the intervals for the running. More importantly than anything, not a single niggle of pain in my knee. Felt really comfortable. So yeah, rounds off another good day's exercise. Gonna do, say it rounds off, it doesn't round off. It rounds off the start of a good day's exercise. Gonna head into the garden in the sun at some point this afternoon or this evening once I've done work, and do my stretching, my weight bearing, strength and conditioning stuff on my lower body and core, get that done, and then tomorrow night out on short bike ride with the lads again, probably about 15 miles ish maybe. So as always guys, really appreciate you watching along on these videos. Hopefully they give comfort, encouragement to people that are either in the same boat as me or are starting out, that you can progress, develop, get better, get quicker, improve your fitness, improve your health, improve your mental well-being. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever we drop new videos. If you've got any comments, points you'd like to make about the training I do, critical improvements, advice, questions, whatever, drop it into the comments and we'll get back to everybody that comments. But yeah, for now, just ticked over. We've actually gone a minute over, but hey ho, see you on the next one.